All right, welcome back. It's been a minute, but I got the top down on the Miata. Hopefully it doesn't rain. All right, welcome back to the channel. This is Tony in my 2001 Mazda Miata. We are going to one of my favorite roads. It's somewhat close. And we're gonna try to get some good content and not crash. That's the game plan. Better way to cover that. I'm going the speed limit, I promise. I think it's not gonna stay there, but whatever. Anyways, since the last time I uploaded, I ran over that big old spacer. Bent my rim, but I got a new rim. I used the same tire. I took it to the shop. They said it looks fine. No idea how the tire survived and how it didn't get punctured, but I've been driving it spiritedly. I've been driving it fast since that happened, and the tire hasn't had a random bulge pop up or hasn't exploded, so that's great. That's probably going to disappear in like 3 seconds, but we made it to the fun part. There's a guy over there. Was he like waving me by or what? I got something in my eye. Alright, got it downshift to third over here. Otherwise, you're not making this first turn. We'll go a little sideways there. Tires are on their limit right there. Downshift to third here too. Gets a little tight right here. Now last little turn before the U-turn. Beautiful. 3, 2, 1. Oh snap! Going so fast. You just have a regular conversation with somebody while ripping this thing as hard as you can. In a straight line. Not in the corners though, you kind of need to lock in the corner. No mustard will be crossed. I don't want the Canyon Carver pulling up my comments complaining about my driving. that's the end of the POV mount. I'll probably mount it up over here by the mirror in case anything crazy happens. Gotta give these guys some space here. Alright, should be enough space for at least the first section. Alright, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching like always. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.